and Assalamu Alaikum. I hope all of our Veggie community is having a good day. If not, then this video will make their day good. Today my mother is going to be preparing Tandoori grilled chicken sandwich. Let's see how is it made. Let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Firstly, you will take one chicken breast, which is always boneless, and you will tender it with a fork, and then you will sprinkle half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon black pepper powder. And you will add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. You will do the same thing on the other side and let your chicken marinate for about 30 minutes. Then you will preheat a pan and add some oil. You will then grill the chicken after marination. Now you will take half cup mixed vegetables. We took carrots, peas, onions and beans, and you will shallow fry them. Now you will shred the chicken with a fork after grilling it. For the sauce, you will need 2 tablespoon cream cheese, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 pinch black pepper powder, and mix it well. For the sandwiches, you will take 4 sliced bread, the sauce from before, the shredded chicken, and the vegetables you shallow fried, and also half cup shredded mozzarella cheese. And now firstly you will spread the sauce, and then the vegetables, and then some chicken, then some cheese, and then some vegetables and chicken again. Now you will preheat a pan and spread some butter. And now you will put the sandwich and grill it until its color changes. You will add some butter on the bread also. And as you can see, the other side of the bread looks so yummy and tasty. And after grilling the other side, your sandwich is ready. It looks so yummy and tasty. I hope you guys will like the recipe once you make it at your home. And don't forget to leave a like, share the video and the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon after hitting the subscribe button. And take care, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.